Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of August 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So in this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and at the end of the video I'll be looking at one of some messages for you from your person. Okay, so let's say you have got the strength. So this is an example I am taking. I'm manifesting you. I have overcome all my fears and insecurities. So this is the direct message. So this is how the message will come. Before that, just think of a yes or no question for you, for yourself. I'm taking a free yes or no question. So just think Libras, please think a yes or no question for yourself. Let me check. Is it a yes or a no or a maybe? Okay, let's see. Okay, I will not take these two because two cards came. Only one card, please. The answer is no, and the message is all that matters is the truth. Discipline and practicality supersede love and emotions. Okay, so let's start with your tarot. So what is there for my Libras? August 2021. August 2021 Libras. August 2021 Libras. August 2021 Libra. And this is going to be a general reading, my dear Libras. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's see. So the obstacle for you this month is the Ten of Cups, and the overall energy for you is the Knight of Cups. Okay, so it feels like, that you are really in a zone where you want to get married to a person, or you want to show some love to a person, but you are not able to. Okay, your feelings are like, you want to express a lot of love. That is your overall energy, but somehow your obstacle is the Ten of Cups. It looks like there are delays coming up in your life in regards with love situations, or some things like, whenever you get into a relationship, it doesn't work, or the marriage doesn't work. That is why always you feel that problem in your relationship, in your marriage, in love life. Let me check. So what are the reasons? So these are the messages from the back. So we have the Queen of Swords, we have Four of Pentacles, we have the Tower. Okay, so it seems like either there's a lady involved in this thing, like, a mother, elder sister, somebody who is always trying to control you, and that is why you are not able to take a decision. It can be any lady. Okay, it does not need to be happening with every one of you. So just take as it resonates. Okay, and there's a strong stubbornness from a side. It is like an ending. Okay, so this can be an ending from the past, from which we are not ready to overcome, and that is why when you are not ready to let go of the past relationships, you are not ready to focus on your future relationships as well. So that is why you're actually going through that trauma, going through that problems in your life. In the past, we have the Three of Pentacles, Five of Wands and the Justice. For many of you, you were involved in a divorce case, or it can be something related to law, other things in life. There were arguments. Many people were involved in the situation, and you were always trying to mend things, but not actually possible by only one person mending, because all of them are just ready to finish everything. So that is why there are many people who are involved in the situation you are dealing with. At present, we have the Hierophant, Ace of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. All you are doing is you are just waiting for a right person to approach you, and you want to get married, you want to start a new life somewhere, but it's like, how to do? I have no choices anymore. In the future, we have Four of Cups, the Moon and the Queen of Wands. So yeah, it looks like that whatever you desire to come towards you, you always end up in rejection. It can be your energy, it can be someone else's energy. I'm going to clarify these future energies. I'm not going to say anything at this moment. So let's get started with the clarification for my Libras. Why the Ten of Cups is here, please tell me more about my Libras. We have Death, we have Two of Wands, and we have Judgment. So yeah, you are in the middle of taking a decision. Either you haven't taken a decision in regards with the marriage, in regards with the relationship. It seems like you are ready to do some ending in this relationship, in this situation. And that is why when you are actually ready for a thing, for a decision making, like, okay, so I have decided everything now and I am ready to do, but then only something comes up and you're not able to do that thing. Okay, so it is that thing in which you are stuck, and that is obstacle in the month of August. Clarify, please tell me more about the Knight of Cups. Tell me more about the Knight of Cups, please. Okay, so we have the Hierophant, Queen of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. Yeah. Strong rejections. I really see for some of you there is a strong rejection from a particular person, or there is like a person who is not ready to be with you at all. You are really loving the person, you are really liking the other person, but it's a strong rejection from the other party. But you have taken some decisions in regards with that matter. There were many ups and downs with this person, but it's like it's only you who I really admire, whom I really love. But the arguments, the toxicity, it keeps on increasing, but you are not ready to let this person go. I don't feel so, Libras. Somebody whom you are not ready to let go. Let me clarify. Tell me more about the Three of Pentacles in the past energies, please. See, the Eight of Pentacles again with the Three of Pentacles. Yes, strongly working on the Justice. You never wanted a separation. You always wanted this person to be with you always, but somehow the separation happened and it was not a good choice. It was not a decision. It was not a wise decision, I would say, but it happened. Tell me more about the Hierophant in the present energies, please. Fool, Knight of Cups, and the Seven of Wands. Yeah, the other person is literally just rejecting you, neglecting you. They are really behaving like, okay, I'm not ready to talk. See how you are ready to offer them that cup of love, but they are saying no. They are blocking the energies. And you want to start new life with them. You might even want to get married to this person, but it's like a no from the other end. See how ready you are for this new beginning. You're really waiting for them with patience, and this patience might be from many years with this person. Tell me more about the Moon energy. I feel that why this rejection is here, because this with this Four of Cups also, there's a rejection, there's a no always in the situation. There might be something hidden also. It can be something hidden from you or something hidden from them, so it can be from anyone. Either the person is being sneaky when it comes to when you offer them love, when you offer them a cup of love, they always try to be sneaky. They just run away. They behave like, okay, I am ready to talk to you. They always are very enthusiastic, loving, but once you just tell them about your feelings, they just sneak away. So what is this Queen of Wands in the future? Why the Queen of Wands is here in the future energies? Queen of Wands clarified by Queen of Wands. I really love when the same cards come. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune and the Lovers. See, it feels like the universe is telling you that, yeah, you both will be together someday. Just do not hang, just do not let go this person. It's, yeah, with the queen of wands, I really get that strong. Either this person is a very career oriented person, and that is why you are just waiting for them, because this is the perfect person you can ever get. And whatever happened in the past, whatever happened with the same person, because the majority of energies are coming for the same person only. With same person, you are separating, patching up, separation and patching up. So the things are for one person only, which are coming in your reading. Okay, so let's see your messages from this deck. Messages from your person, messages from Libra's person, please. So the first is the Tower. Okay, did I choose the wrong person? Deep down, this abrupt and sudden end of the relationship does not shock me. I knew something was not right. Okay. Five of Wands. Let the dogs bark. I will remain unaffected with what is being thrown at me. We have Knight of Wands and King of Wands as well. I want you so badly. I want you now. I am attracted to you. I am looking forward to seducing you with my intensity and sexual passion. Wow. Okay, so take what resonates. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we're going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.